Assalamu alaikum, everybody. I hope with the blessing of Almighty, you are taking a fantastic preparation for your upcoming O-Level English Language Paper 2. Dear, in this video, I would like to discuss a very important thing for you only, and that is Section 2, Reading for Meaning. You know that this is the section where you have to target the full marks, and I have seen that those who achieved an A star in their O-Levels in English language, they actually, DS, achieved a fantastic marks. It means, say, out of 25, they achieved 24 or even 25 in this section. So, dears, this is a very crucial part of your O-Level English language examination. Okay, now some of you are asking me that, sir, just before few days, how will I take the preparations on this section 2? Now there are two things you'll take the preparations. One, already you have with you some previously solved questions and also some mock copies with you. Okay, what you will do, you will just take all those section 2 marked or done copies at your hand, turn over the pages, see what the answers went wrong, what will be the correct answers, why did you make the mistakes, why your answer was the wrong one, and how to write what type of question so that you don't repeat these types of mistakes in your upcoming O-Level examination, right? Now, secondly, this is also a part of the preparation. Another preparation you have to take, dear, that is you have to solve as many section 2 as possible from now on within these few days left before your O-Levels. Okay, the more you will practice, dears, the better will be your preparation. Okay, now how will you practice this section 2? First of all, whether you are practicing or in your O-Levels you are writing the section 2, first you will just take the passage. The passage 2 of section 2 will be generally narrative passage. Okay, the length will be between 700 to 750 words. So after getting the question and the passage, first of all, for this section 2, just you quickly scan and skim the text and just get a general overview or an idea about the whole passage, that what has happened in the whole story, right? After that, go to the question, read the question carefully, try to understand what is wanted in the question, look at the marks. If there is only one mark, I will understand only 1 point in the answer. If there are 2 marks, I will understand there are 2 points in the answer. And then you will see from which paragraph this question is taken. Go to that paragraph, read, find, and write down the answers. Okay, now let me discuss with you about the different types of questions which will come in your O-Levels. Now, the first type of question which will come in your O-Levels in this section 2, that is called literal comprehension question. Now, obviously, you can ask that, sir, how will I understand which questions will be the literal comprehension questions and how will I answer those types of questions, right? So, first thing is that, let me give you some clues. Whenever in the question, they will just simply ask you who, what, when, how, or where. It means 5 W's and 1 H. Whenever they will ask you with this, just simply say, when did it happen, how did it happen, where did he go, okay, or who did this. You will understand that these types of questions are very simple, literal comprehension question. You will just understand what is wanted in the question, go to that paragraph, read, find, cut and copy and paste in your answer part. Okay, in this way you will finish. Another type of question, that is called actually inferential question. How will you understand which types of questions are the inferential question? So whenever in the question they will tell you, what do you think? What do you know? What do you understand? How do you think? Okay, you will understand that the answer to this type of questions are not given in the passage. There is even no keyword to this type of question. Now, obviously, you can ask that, sir, then how will I find the answer? Or how will I write down the answer? Very simple. Just you go through the paragraph, try to understand the situation. You try to understand that, okay, in that situation, what has happened, how one should be sensible, how one should be realistic, okay, how one should think realistically, okay, and you better take yourself to that situation, take yourself to that position, and then you will be able to understand that how one should respond or react. Okay, then you'll be able to answer to this type of question appropriately. Remember, the key is the more you will practice, the better will be your preparation, the more confidence you will have on this. Another type of question, dear, that is called questions on writer's craft. Now, you know that sometimes in the question it is mentioned that what effect is created by the word clattering, by using the word clattering, not by using the word, say, for example, noise. So you have to, in those type of situations, you have to understand that what is the difference between clatter and noise. Where is that slight sophisticated difference? Okay, those difference will create the huge impact. Okay, and then you have to understand that according to the situation, what impact does the word have? Okay, and then you have to answer accordingly. Another type of question that is called actually the recasting original text in own words or without copying from the passage. So how you will write down this type of answer? Very simple, you know already, DS. Just a part of the text will be given in your question. You first understand what is wanted in the question, find the two keywords. On the basis of that, replace the two keywords with contextually suitable synonyms and put the synonyms in full sentences. Okay, in this way, dear, you will find. And the another type of question that is called word meanings. You know, for the word meanings, just you go to the line from where that word is taken, take each option instead of the word you use in that line, and by using which meaning out of those four options the meaning of the sentence is not changed, that is the contextually suitable synonym, and that is the correct word meaning. Remember, out of those other three meanings, one will be the literal meaning, which will not be the correct meaning, and another two words which will have no contact or association with the word, and those will not be the correct word meanings as well. In this way, DS, take a fantastic preparations. Inshallah, our exam will be super. We will discuss elaborately, inshallah, on many different questions in another video. Do watch that. Take care. Allah Hafiz.